Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can use your iPhone as a compass. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, in order to do this, we're going to need you to find a special compass app that's pre-installed on our iPhone. If you don't have it on your desktop, you might have it on your desktop. It might look like this. If you don't have it, then you can find it very easily by swiping down on the screen. Then you'll get a search box here where you type in the words compass. And then you'll see the application appear at the top. If you can't find it that way, then you have to go to the App Store. In the search box, we write the word compass. And we see that we get this app here. This app is an official Apple app, so it's safe to download it, unless you have it pre-installed. And after you save it, you can open it. And as you can see, right away, it shows you a compass. And this red arrow right here, and also the letter N, it always shows the north direction. So if you hold the iPhone in your hand, and if we start spinning it around, we can see that the arrow stays always in the north direction. But keep in mind that the compasses on phones are not very accurate, so there can be some glitches and inaccuracies in direction. This is the easy way to use your iPhone as a compass. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.